Welcome to our ultimate guide to making money online. In this video, we'll explore a variety of lucrative opportunities that allow you to earn income from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're looking to escape the traditional 9-to-5 grind, supplement your current income, or pursue your entrepreneurial dreams, we've got you covered. Join us as we dive deep into 10 proven methods for making money online, from affiliate marketing and freelancing to app development and virtual events. We'll provide in-depth insights, practical tips, and real-world examples to help you understand each method and determine which one aligns best with your skills, interests, and goals. Get ready to unlock your earning potential and embark on an exciting journey to financial freedom. Whether you're a seasoned digital entrepreneur or just starting out, there's never been a better time to capitalize on the endless opportunities available in the online world. So sit back, grab a notebook, and let's dive into the world of online money making together. 1. Printables, designing and selling digital products such as printable templates, planners, worksheets, or artwork. You can create these products once and sell them repeatedly without the need for inventory or shipping. 2. Consulting services, offering specialized advice and expertise in areas such as business strategy, marketing, finance, or career development. Consultants typically work closely with clients to solve problems, provide guidance, and help them achieve their goals. 3. Social media management, managing and curating content for businesses or individuals across various social media platforms. This involves creating engaging posts, interacting with followers, analyzing metrics, and running targeted advertising campaigns to increase brand visibility and engagement. For podcasting, creating audio content on specific topics or niches and distributing it through platforms like Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or Google Podcasts. Podcasters can monetize their content through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, listener donations, or premium subscription models. 5. App development, designing and developing mobile applications for smartphones or tablets. App developers can generate revenue through various monetization methods, including in-app advertising, in-app purchases, subscription models, or selling the app outright. 6. Remote tutoring, providing one-on-one or group tutoring sessions online in subjects such as academics, music, languages, or test preparation. Tutors can leverage video conferencing platforms to deliver interactive lessons, share resources, and track student progress. 7. Virtual events, organizing and hosting online events such as webinars, workshops, or virtual conferences on topics of interest. Event organizers can monetize these events through ticket sales, sponsorships, merchandise sales, or premium access fees for exclusive content. 8. Website flipping, buying, improving, and selling websites or
premium access fees for exclusive content. 8. Website flipping, buying, improving, and selling websites or domain names for a profit. Website flippers identify undervalued or underperforming websites, optimize them for better performance, and sell them at a higher price to interested buyers. 9. Remote customer service, providing customer support services to businesses or organizations remotely. Customer service representatives interact with customers through phone, chat, or email to address inquiries, resolve issues, and ensure customer satisfaction. 10. Online surveys and market research, participating in market research studies, surveys, or focus groups to provide feedback and insights on products, services, or consumer trends. Participants are typically compensated with rewards, cash, or gift cards for their time and input. These methods offer diverse opportunities for individuals to earn income online by leveraging their skills, expertise, and resources in various ways. Thanks for watching, guys. If you find this video useful, hit that like button and subscribe this channel. See you next video.